Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover Mufex. This is a free and testnet video, so if you are waiting those free videos to do airdrops, this is one of them. And this is a possible airdrop. It's not confirmed, but it's very possible that this DX it will have a token. It's going to launch really soon on the Arbitrum network. And the rumors on the Discord and many places are that they are going to reward the users of the testnet with the tokens on the mainnet launch. Like always in my videos, we are going to cover a little bit about what Mufex is, and like always the step-by-step on everything that you need to do in detail in order to participate in this airdrop. And like always guys, before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Guys, Mufex is the next generation decentralized on-chain contract platform, and their goal is to combine the advantages of centralized exchanges with those of the centralized exchanges to provide the best user experience while ensuring asset security. Mufex doesn't have an own token yet, but has hinted at launching an own token, and early users who have done testnet actions may get an airdrop when they launch their token. And also this is rumored because you have an excellent step-by-step on how to test the application. So we are going to go into that too. And all the steps are going to be here. Is one of the points on my step-by-step. So if you want to do the official testnet walkthrough, you can do it. But I'm going to simplify most of that in my video. And if this is your first time here, remember that at cryptocurrencystate.net you have all my videos ordered there by categories and different filters. So you can search any project that you are interested, and you may find that I did an airdrop video for that. And I also have some subscriptions. These are for a private Discord where we are talking about many new airdrops that I cannot cover here for time. Airdrops actually in BRC20. We are super bullish on BRC20, so we are doing a lot of stuff there to get money. Meme coins, also we covered that in my Discord. Crypto portfolio strategies, we discussed many topics. And how to be an airdrop hunter farming using VPN and many other tools. So everything is happening in my Discord, and if you really want to do this seriously, you have the subscription to my app. My app is going to help you to apply easily to all my airdrops, but also you can create your custom airdrops. So my app is not restricting you only to my ecosystem at CCS, but you can add airdrops from another users or another sources that you are using. So here you have two videos on how my app works, and this Mufex testnet video is already in my application before anyone else, so you can apply for this airdrop easily from my app. Now going to the step-by-steps, the first three steps guys in this case are optional, but I put it here to follow them on Twitter, follow them on Telegram, and you can follow them on Discord. In this case you have the three link, so here you will have all the links. One that maybe is very interesting is the Telegram announcement. So you will have all the announcements directly on that Telegram group, but here are all the official links. And like you are doing this airdrop, I would recommend you to follow the Twitter and Discord so you are up to date with everything that may happen for this airdrop. Now, step 4 is we need to go and visit the testnet page. The official website is mufex.finance. You can see some information about the project. Something to mention here is the roadmap. In June, they are going to launch the mainnet. Right now we are here on May on the testnet, and it's going to be deployed in Arbitrum mainnet. But this testnet, you are going to be able to do it with Polygon testnet or with Arbitrum Goerli testnet. So you have both options. So I think at some point they may launch also in Polygon. That is not of course confirmed, but also could happen. So the step 4 is we go to the testnet, so just click here on testnet. The mainnet anyways is not here, so you cannot go there, and now click on launch app. This is going to send you to the testnet application. Now step 5, you need to click on get started and sign the permissions to connect your wallet. Click on get started. If you don't have wallet, you can register using an email, but in this case we already have a wallet, so we are going to use MetaMask. So just connect there, it's pretty easy. And here you need to sign this request. It's completely safe and you are already logging here. So this is why it's a DX, because the funds are not in the centralized exchange here like Binance. You have the control on your wallet. Now the step 6 is that we need test tokens. There are 3 ways to get testnet tokens. One is you can register on Mufex Testnet and get USDT tokens. That is what we are going to do. Another way is that you get Ethereum tokens on Arbitrum Goerli network, or that you get Matic tokens on the Polygon Mumbai network. So if you have been following me for a while, we have been already using those testnets. You will need to get Goerli Ethereum tokens and then using a bridge sending to our Arbitrum Goerli. Or you can get Faucet tokens on Polygon Mumbai directly. All that information, guys, is in this link. This is from the official Mufex documentation. So if you want to do step 2 or 3 here, you can do it. We are going to do the first step, which is more easy to get the free tokens from them. So moving into step 7. When you connect to Mufex, you will get automatically 1,000 USDT testnet tokens in your Arbitrum Goerli and in your Mumbai testnet. So if you don't have those testnet, you can add them on your MetaMask going into Chainlist. So you go to the link, you can click here include testnet, and you can search here, for example, Arbitrum. Click on include testnet and you can add here Arbitrum Goerli. So you just click on add to MetaMask, approve, and you can move to Arbitrum Goerli. Or if you want to use Polygon, you just click and put Mumbai and you can add it to your MetaMask. Mumbai is the Polygon testnet. Approve it and you can add it there. In my case, I'm going to use the Arbitrum Goerli, so I'm going to move here from Mumbai to Arbitrum Goerli. So like I said before, automatically we are going to get these tokens when we enter into the app. So we already did that, but like you can see, you don't see your tokens here on your Arbitrum Goerli or even in your Mumbai testnet on MetaMask. That is because we need to import the tokens here. So in order to do that, here in the link you are going to see that, the contract's address. So we go here, we go to get test tokens, and here you have the 2 contracts that you need to import. This is for Arbitrum Goerli, you can see here, or for Polygon Mumbai, you can see it here. Let's say that I want to add it here. This is for Arbitrum Goerli, so I go here, I click on assets, import tokens. I'm going to paste the address there and you can see that it says SLF. You can edit that if you want and you can put it USDT, but the important is that you use the correct contract and click add custom and you can see we have a balance of 1,000. So click on import and you are done. You are going to see the 1,000 USDT for this particular testnet here on Arbitrum Goerli. The same is if you are in Mumbai, you do it with this contract. You can edit the name of the symbol, it's the same. So that is point 8. We go to point 9, guys, which is we need to click on asset from the top right and then deposit the testnet USDT in the application. So we are here, we already clicked on get started. We are going to connect again because I disconnected already, adding Arbitrum Goerli. So we are already successfully logging again here. I'm going to go here and click deposit. You can see the asset section here and I will click on deposit here. You can select the token here and you can search and you can select for Arbitrum or for Matic. These are the Goerli testnets and you can see that I have available 1,000 USDT, so I will put the max and click on transfer. I need to confirm the transaction. For this you are going to need some gas fees on Goerli Ethereum, so you are going to need that. And like I mentioned, you have in the official documentation how to get Goerli Ethereum using the bridge, so it's going to be easy. This is going to take some minutes but works perfectly, and you can see transfer completed. And we are being redirected to the assets and you can see now here that I have 1,000 USDT there. After doing that, now we go to step 10, which in my app in my application for applying to this airdrop, that you have the subscriptions on my webpage, you are going to see these tasks as a recurring task. That means that you need to try to use this not only one time, but a couple of times per week. Is easy, you are going to have balance already. So start trading using the app, and also you can go to the earn section and buy some MLP, which is Mufex liquidity pool tokens, and you can check your rewards after some time and claim those rewards. So let's go to the application. First I want to do let's say a market order, and I will do a short of BTC USDT. I will put, let's say, a little less than this, 0.00. I will start the sell short order. So you can see that my order is already positioned here. You can see your liquidity price, entry price, everything. Remember, this is Testnet. I am using the USDT that I got. So you can use BTC and Ethereum USDT. So these are the two tokens for the Testnet. After using a couple of trades, guys, you can go here to earn, like I mentioned, and you can use some of your USDT to buy MLP. So let's say I want to buy 300 on the value. You can see buy completed, and this is going to allow me to get rewards on the fees of the transactions. So this is going to grow. You can see the MLP price here, the total supply. This is your MLP balance and your value, and this is the total earn fee and the unclaimed fee. So I don't have anything right now, but over time I'm going to get some rewards there. So remember to go and claim them. And you have here the MLP trade history, so you can download all the records if you want, and also you can sell the MLP after. Let's say that I want to sell a little bit of that, just in order to do the transaction here. Everything here is working fine for me, guys. I didn't have any issues. I go back to the trade section, and let's say that I want to close this position, so I will just close it as a market position. Order submitted successfully and was filled. So that is all, guys, for this step. Now the step 11 is give a feedback. There's a link here for Mufex where you can give some feedback, so I recommend you to do it. You can see that you can put your wallet address, so maybe this is important for receive an airdrop in the future. So don't skip this step, which is step 11, give some feedback. Now step 12 is just information. They don't have an own token yet, but have hinted at launching an own token. So early users who have done testnet actions may get an airdrop when they launch their token. This is of course not confirmed. And for more information regarding the testnet, you can see this link that I already mentioned and we have been using here. Everything is explained in detail here with images too. So if you have any issue from everything that I have been showing, go to the official Mufex link and you are going to see everything in detail. Guys, that is all for this airdrop, a possible free and testnet airdrop, really directly to the point. And again, if you want to be up to date with all my airdrops, you need to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and also you need to follow me at CryptoCState. This is my official Twitter account, CryptoCState, and I post many things that are not in my Discord, are not in my different social media platforms. So follow me on Twitter if you really want to be up to date with everything. That will be all, and I see you in the next video. Bye.